second video for this section. And again, we're getting a bunch of theorems, and theorems are going to be reasons in deductive reasoning. And so that's why we're getting theorems. First one's a little different because it's probably obvious to you. Right angle congruence theorem. Remember a right angle is an angle that measures 90 degrees. And it says here in the theorem, all right angles are congruent. Well, they're congruent means they have the same measure, and all angles measure 90 degrees. So sometimes some theorems can be relatively obvious. Here's one that's not, and this is like the congruent supplements theorem, but it's called the congruent complements theorem. If two angles are congruent to the same angle or to two congruent angles, then the two angles are congruent. It's a lot of words there. Okay, and so now let's do the same thing that I did in the last video. You're going to see almost the same thing, but the word supplements is replaced by complements. Let's say angle A is complementary to angle B. Angle B is complementary to angle C. So what has to be true about angle A and angle C? Okay, here's the answer. Angle A, then angle A has to be congruent to angle C. And again, you might ask why. Let's say this. Let's say that angle A is 30 degrees. It's complementary to angle B. Complementary means two angles that add up to 90. So 90 minus 30, then angle B would have to be 60. Do a quick check. 30 plus 60 is 90, correct? Okay, now angle B, we just said or decided was 60. It's complementary to angle C. So what does angle C have to be? 90 minus 60 is 30. Well, take a look at angle A and angle C. Therefore, they have to be the same. Okay, so now, I don't know, that example might make it look simpler or easier. It's a challenging theorem regardless of however you think about this, and we'll continue to work at it and understand congruent supplements and congruent complements theorem. If you can get one, though, here's the good news. If you can get one, it seems like you're going to get the other one. All right, thanks.